Hi, this is Rob. Thanks for joining me. This is a NinjaTrader order placement video. I've had any number of customers ask me in the last couple of days how to get order placement up in NinjaTrader, and so I thought I'd take a minute and go over it for you. NinjaTrader has excellent support and help files, and so you can always access what you need through that. I'm going to go over the order placement for you here. Three different types of order placement, and then I'm going to show you how to use these help files because they're really great. First off, if I want to just place an order and I don't need a chart or anything like that, I can simply go over here, select my market as the E-minis, and I'm set to market here. I can just buy at market or sell at market using a day order or a good till canceled order, or whichever I prefer. I can place a limit order if I want, or a stop order. Always remember, because it always kind of catches me, if you're placing a stop order, make sure you select stop order first, because a lot of times I'll fill this in and then I realize, oh, I've got a limit in there. I need to select that first and then put the stop price that I want in here, for example. So the next way to place an order is using a chart. And there's a chart trader built into NinjaTrader, and it's really great. Let me show you. Here we have a crude oil chart, and you can turn this chart trader on or off simply by coming up to this icon right here and clicking it on or off. And so it's convenient there. And you can just buy at market or sell at market as you see what's going on the chart. And you could also buy at ask or bid. And so if you want a little bit better pricing than the market, you might select ask. If you want it to come down into you, you could say buy the bid. For example, let's just go ahead and say buy the bid right here. You see it's going to place a limit order at the bid, at the current bid, and hopefully it'll come down and grab you. Now if I had done it at the ask, we would have gotten filled right there. And so here I'll cancel that and I'll say go in at ask, and it filled us. Okay, I could also do that for selling on the ask or the bid as well, as opposed to using the market. I really like these buttons right here because it helps out a lot. Also, you can just hit reverse and it'll go short when I was long before. Now, the chart trader is also more than just this right here, because what I can do is I can come in and I can decide to put in a stop. And let's say I want to reverse on that stop. I'm currently short, and let's say I want to reverse right here. I'm going to say buy 2 on a stop right there. And so what it did was it came through and it filled me on the stop order right there. Now, if I want to place a stop for this order, and let's say a target for this order, I could come over here and click OC. Okay, and OC is what it's going to do is when I place this order, I'm going to say let's exit this. I'm going to go back to a one lot here, and let's exit this at, we're going to sell at 195 limit, or we're going to get stopped out at 100.81. And the way I do that is I'm just clicking, doing a right mouse click, and letting that'll come up like this, and then all of my selections that I might prefer are right here. So that's the way you use the chart trader. Now there's a third way that you can place orders, and that is with the dome on NinjaTrader. Let me show you how that one works. In order to trade on the dome, the way that you get to that is you bring up the control center and you just say File, New, Dynamic Superdome. And it'll just bring that up right there. And so I'll move this off screen, and we've got this on the chart. Now, if I go over to crude oil, what you're going to see is that these trades are already in the dome. And so I have my limit above and my stop below. And I'm sitting on this trade right here. I could also have selected OCO order simply by right-clicking in the gray area and selecting that over here. Now, Let's say if I want to place a stop, the way I do that is let's say I'm gonna cancel these two orders. I was in OC mode, so it removed both of those, and I can turn that off and get back to my DOM. And so if I want to place the orders on here, I can click and say OCO. To place my limit order above, all I need to do, we're long, and so all I need to do is come over here and left click into the sell column. And to place my stop, the way I do that is I press the control button and I click my middle mouse scroll button, and that'll place the stop right there. And those are OC, as you can see right here. It's just that simple. Now, another nice thing that I like about the chart trader is even if I'm working with the DOM, I can have these things up on the chart, which is nice. But I can also, let's say I've decided that the stop, I want to tighten it up, and so I'll bring it up to my line there. And I can just grab by left clicking the mouse and move these wherever I want them to be. And so I can also come in here and change the number of contracts that I want on the order. So that's what I have for you using the Ninja Chart Trader, the Ninja DOM, and the Ninja Control Center for placing orders. Now, I promise you one other thing before the end of this video. The NinjaTrader Help files are excellent. I can always find what I'm looking for using this. So I simply go Help, and it'll bring up this window right here. And this has a search function in it. So if I wanted stop order DOM, I would just key that into there and hit return. And I could have come in submitting orders, okay? And it's great because if you don't want to read it, no problem. They've got videos for everything. And so just an overview on submitting orders in the DOM, how to submit an order, limit order, stop limit order, and then advanced functionality using the ATM strategies. This is the functionality that you have down here that I didn't go over. But you can actually have this manage trades for you automatically according to a certain strategy. It's called the ATM. Again, another excellent functionality in NinjaTrader. So that's what I have for you. Thanks for joining me, and we'll see you again on the next one.